Student, it is video number 34 of class 5 science, in which we will discuss or revise final term syllabus. Circulatory system, first chapter of our final term. In circulatory system, we come to know about the transport system of blood in human beings and in other living organisms. And circulatory system is the life support system that provide our body cells with food and oxygen, and it takes away waste product from all parts of the body. Then we discuss of the circulatory system, that it consists three main parts: heart, blood and capillaries. Then we discussed about blood, which is red in color due to the presence of the pigment hemoglobin, and it consists of two components, plasma and blood cells. Whereas plasma, it is a yellowish color liquid part of the blood which remove carbon dioxide and waste from the cell, whereas RBC, which have hemoglobin, provide red color to the blood, and WBC that defend the body against infection. Whereas blood platelet, that tiny cells that help in stop bleeding by clotting of blood. Then we discussed function of the blood, that it provide food and oxygen to body cells and remove waste from the cell, help in regulating body temperature and protect the body against infection. Blood vessels, again we will revise it, that arteries, they have a thick and muscular wall, carry blood away from the heart, and blood in arteries is bright red in color as it contain a lot of oxygen, mean it contain oxygenated blood. And largest artery in our body is aorta, and it branches out and form arteries. Vein, the organ to the heart, they have thin walls, and flow blood in the vein is toward the heart. It contains deoxygenated blood, darker in color as it does not contain oxygen. Capillaries are the finest blood vessels that connect arteries to veins, and they have thin walls, and the food, oxygen pass from blood to the cell, and carbon dioxide and waste product pass to the blood. Then heart is a fist size shape organ present in our body, which is made up of muscles, and it pump blood throughout the body. Then we discussed about the structure, that it has four chamber, two auricle, two ventricle, and the heart is divided in two halves by thick muscular septum. After that, we discussed about the working of heart, how heart is working. When both auricle ventricle are relaxed, auricle get filled with the blood, and right auricle receive deoxygenated blood from all part of the body. Auricle and ventricle relax and auricle get filled with the blood. The right auricle receive deoxygenated blood from all part of the body, and left auricle receive oxygenated blood. And in this systematic circulation of blood in human, they describe the full. About the rhythmic contraction of the auricle and ventricle, heartbeat about 72 times per minute, and how we can keep our heart healthy by regular exercise and by cutting down the amount of fat in our diet. Then we discussed about the pollination, that in our surrounding number of flowers and plants are present due to the pollination process. And then we discussed about the four walls of the flower: sepal, petals, gynoecium, androecium, how these parts help in the pollination. And pollen grains are present on the anther part, which is also known as the reproductive part of the flower, and we call it as the stamen or androecium. It has filament and anther, whereas the female reproductive part of the flower is known as gynoecium or pistil. And there are two type of production processes: bisexual and unisexual. In unisexual mean only one reproductive part is present. In bisexual, both reproductive parts are present. And then pollination is of two types: self and cross pollination. Self, in which pollen grains are transferred from anther to stigma of the same flower, or the flower of the same species of the same plant. And then cross pollination, when pollen grain transfer from one flower to another flower of same species of another plant by insects, those who are act as a pollinator, and they are also get benefit during this pollination process. Then we discussed about light and shadow. Light, it is an invisible source of energy which gives us sensation to sight, and the light always travel in a straight line, so this property is known as rectilinear propagation of light. And through activity we come to know that when we see the light in the straight pipe, it is possible. When we bend the pipe and try to see the lighted candle, then it is not possible for us to see. Then we discussed about the types of the object: opaque, transparent, translucent. Opaque, which not allow light to pass through it; translucent, which allow only partial light to pass through it; and transparent, which allow full light to pass through it. Then shadow. Shadow, when opaque object block the source of light, at the backside black color area develop. That black color area we call it as a source shadow. And then we discussed about how shadow form in different areas, and at which time which type of shadows is formed. Then about revolution and rotation of the earth. Then about the eclipses we describe full in the chapter. Practice. Note down the question: how we can keep our heart healthy? Name largest artery in the body. Third, what is plasma? Fourth, explain about gynecium. And fifth, what is translucent object? Sixth, which things are essential for the shadow formation? Seventh, define rotation, shadow, pulse, pollination, capillaries. And last question, draw a diagram of circulation of blood in human.